Welcome back, fashion enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of garment care with a look at the top 5 best clothes steamers in 2024. Whether you're a fashionista, a professional, or just someone who loves a crisp, wrinkle-free look, you're in for a treat. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Handheld Garment Steamer. The Handheld Garment Steamer was the best performing machine in our tests. Even without the instruction manual, we found it quite intuitive and easy to use. But the operating instructions provided tips to make the garments we tried it on look even more smooth. Plus, the steamer comes with a fabric brush attachment that makes steaming clothes even more effective. For those of you who tend to run low on time while getting ready, this heats up in just 20 seconds and took less than 4 minutes to steam all of the clothes we tested it on. For a handheld steamer, it has a good enough capacity that we didn't need to refill it frequently either. It also produced enough steam to work effectively. Filling the tank was easy with a simple twist top, and water poured into it easily without any spilling. At full capacity, it was a bit uncomfortable to hold, but the 10 feet long cord gave us freedom to move around easily while navigating different angles and directions. While the low and high steam settings help provide versatility, there's also a lock function to keep the steam on or off, so you don't have to keep your finger pressed down the whole time you're using it. The efficiency is where this shines. It makes the experience of smoothing our wrinkles easy, quick, and convenient while providing top-notch results. At under $60, we found ourselves surprised by the low cost considering the value we felt it delivered. Since it's handheld, it'll work nicely for people with smaller spaces or those who like wrinkle-free clothes while traveling. Next up, we have the Proctor Silex Compact 2-in-1 Garment Steamer Iron. At $25, this no-frills device had one of the most comfortable handles on this list and even came with its own brush attachment that we found helped prevent burns on clothing. We especially liked using this on silk clothing, feeling it worked even better than a traditional iron. It took just 1 minute to heat up, which is less than some of the pricier options we tested out. After testing this on multiple fabrics, we found it could steam a silk shirt in less than 5 minutes, and a cotton shirt in about 15 minutes. In fact, we felt it smoothed out silk right on contact. However, despite how intense the heat this gives off, it didn't effectively smooth out wrinkles in linen, so this is a better option for people who don't wear much of that fabric. The 10 feet cord allowed us to maneuver freely around the garment, and the long handle featured a single button that didn't need to be held down the whole time the steamer was in use, making this ultra comfortable to use. And don't be fooled by the low price. This packs a serious punch with a lot of heat, so you'll want to be careful about burning yourself or fabric you're working with. To help with that, we like using the fabric brush attachment that acts as a 1-inch separator between the head and fabric. Moving on to our third pick, the Brookline Steamer. The last thing you want to worry about while traveling is wrinkled clothes. For those of you who are frequently on the go, the Brookline Steamer is worth considering, especially given its fairly low price tag. The no-frills device is made for a seamless steaming experience, with one simple on-off toggle switch and a tank that fills easily. Made to be portable, this clothes steamer is super compact and easy to tote around for quick touch-ups on lightly wrinkled cotton or linen items, though it worked most effectively on silk. In fact, despite its tiny size, this still features a 9 feet long cord for easy maneuverability, and we found the device to be even more effective at smoothing out wrinkles than some larger steamers we tried. Those who wear a lot of silk, have a small amount of space for storage, or who travel a lot will seriously appreciate this easy-to-use steamer. Our fourth pick is the Conair ExtremeSteam Handheld Fabric Steamer. The Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam Handheld Fabric Steamer. Try saying that 5 times fast is a worthwhile investment for those who have a lot of clothing that wrinkles easily, because it works on any fabric. Similar to the Conair Handheld Garment Steamer above, it comes with 3 attachments to pull fabric taut, protect finer fabrics, and loosen fibers for faster steam penetration. But what makes this special is the 5 different steam settings that make this steamer ultra versatile. Our tips to make this even more convenient. We used a funnel to make filling the water tank a lot easier, and experienced less water dripping when we held the steamer perpendicular. While it took us a bit of time to get the hang of the creaser, we found it worked pretty well once we figured it out. To add to the unique features this one packs in, you'll want to take advantage of the handy clamp feature to help stabilize the garment you're steaming for more control over hanging garments. Last but certainly not least, we have the Electrolux Garment Steamer. The Electrolux Garment Steamer offers a lot of bang for your buck with its portability, attachments, and efficacy. The do-it-all device has one of the largest capacities on this list with 300 milliliters of tank space, but it still comes with a heat protective carrying case for easy portability. In testing, we found this clothes steamer heated up immediately, with steam being produced as soon as we turned the device on. It then steamed all the garments we tested it on in just around 8 minutes or under. While it wasn't the fastest at steaming, this didn't pose much of a problem for us as the grip was quite comfortable to hold. The lock feature stimulates ongoing steam, so there's no need to hold a button down the whole time. Though there are only 2 settings on the unit, it's extremely versatile and multifunctional thanks to the additional lint remover and fabric brush attachments. Plus, we found this much faster and easier to use than an iron. It even has one of the longest cord lengths on this list, so it's easy to maneuver around big spaces if you even decide to use this on curtains or furniture. And there you have it. With the right clothes steamer, achieving a wrinkle-free wardrobe has never been easier. Whether you're prepping for a big presentation or a night out on the town, these steamers will have you looking sharp in no time. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching and happy steaming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Until next time, stay stylish.